If the Albert app stopped working right after an Android update, the issue is usually caused by outdated app files, corrupted cache, changed permissions, or a temporary compatibility problem between the latest Android version and the current Albert app. By the end of this video, you'll know the quickest fixes to get Albert working again, and when it's time to contact support. Start by force closing the Albert app. Open your phone settings, go to Apps, select Albert, and tap Force Stoppen. Then reopen the app to see if it loads normally. Next, open the Google Play Store and check for an Albert update. App developers frequently release patches after Android updates to fix crashes, login failures, and performance issues on newly updated devices. If the app is already updated, restart your Android phone. A full reboot clears temporary system processes that can interfere with apps immediately after an operating system update. If the problem continues, clear the app cache. Go to Wii Settings Sing, Apps, Albert, Storage, then tap a Clear Caching Dawning. Cached files created before the Android update may no longer work correctly, and clearing them forces the app to rebuild fresh temporary data. Now test your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data back to Wi-Fi, and try opening Albert again. If the app loads on one connection but not the other, the problem may be network-related instead of app-related. You should also review the app's permissions. Open Settings Apps, Albert, then WA Permissions, and make sure any required permissions are enabled. Android updates can occasionally reset or change app permission settings. If Albert still crashes, uninstall the app completely and reinstall it from the Google Play Store. Reinstalling replaces damaged app files that may have been left behind after the Android update. After installation, sign back into your account and check whether everything is working normally. If the app opens but account information doesn't refresh, wait a few minutes and manually refresh the app. Temporary server-side delays can occur while apps adjust to a major Android release. If none of these fixes solve the problem, contact Albert support. Include your Android version, phone model, Albert app version, and a description of exactly what happens when you launch the app. That information helps support determine whether the issue is device-specific or part of a wider compatibility problem. To recap, force close the app, install the latest Albert update, restart your phone, clear the cache, verify permissions, reinstall the app if necessary, and contact support if the issue continues. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe for more Albert troubleshooting guides, and check out our other app fix tutorials.